Hey everybody, thanks again for joining me for yet another DIY video on my channel. We're doing more maintenance today on the G35 that we have here, 07 G35 manual, and we're going to be swapping out the manual transmission fluid. So the fluid that I've chosen to go with is actually, I showed you guys in the previous video, it is Redline synthetic oil, MT85. Highly suggested from our folks over at Z1 and other forum members. So should be a quick swap. I don't need any kind of drain tool or anything like that. The only thing we'll be using today is a fill pump that I've used before for my rear diff. I cleaned it out very well, but the pretty much the fluid, there's nothing in there. It's already dried out and clean. So make sure always when swapping fluids, your pump is clean. And also we're going to use a new seal for the drain plug. We're putting another one in. It's the same part number that you use for the diff. I believe it is a 10 millimeter that goes in for the drain and fill plug. But I also have a 12 here with me just in case. I'll double check as soon as I get underneath the car. Just make sure you jacked up the car safely per usual and have your bucket or whatever to collect the contents of the fluid. The car has already been driven. The fluid is pretty warm. So yeah, make sure the car has been driven, the fluid's warm so that it all comes out. I'm curious to see what kind of condition the fluid is in, so stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think. We're underneath the transmission right now. As I always do things, I always loosen up the fill plug before I loosen up the drain plug, just to make sure that we can get the fluid in. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen that up real quick, and then we'll start draining the fluid out of the transmission. All right, fill plug is loose. Let's go ahead and loosen up the drain plug. All righty. Should be free to hand spin now. Yep. Oh man, a little tight under here, guys. Ready? There it goes. That stuff stinks. Doesn't look too bad, but it does stink. I hate the smell of trans fluid. Let that drain out nicely, and we'll get back to it in a second. As you guys have seen in previous videos from my diff service, there is the drain plug I just took out, and here's the washer that replaces it. There's the part number. I'll also have the number in the description. All right, guys, now that we've I put the drain plug back in, I'm just going to take out the fill plug. And ideally, you would want to replace both of those crush washers, gasket seals, whatever you want to call them. I only had one left, so I only replaced the most essential one, which is the drain plug. I may down the line replace another one of these, but it looks like it's pretty much still brand new. Nonetheless, the FSM still requires you to replace it. Alrighty guys, so on mine, there's various sources that say you use anywhere between 2.5 to 3 quarts on this transmission, possibly 4. So I have 4 quarts here in total, and I chose to go with Redline MT85. Again, this is what I was recommended to use from most sources that I trust for information on this platform, and that's what we went with. So I'll let you guys know how much I used today on this video. Alrighty. Put our pump in. Slowly start to pump this stuff in there. You guys notice the color difference is pretty huge. All right, let's pump some more. So it's gonna take me a while to pump all of these things in here. So I'm gonna fast forward to the part where we start to drip out fluid, which means it's time to plug it in, and we'll be all set. So, all right. This should be the last one, maybe. Alrighty. I don't see anything coming out yet. I'm a little concerned. I think I got one more fill left. Oh, I'm starting to see some. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Shit, just let it drip. Let it drip. Plug it up. Oh shit. There we go. God, that was messy. Sorry guys, I miscalculated how much I put in there, but it was getting close. Looks like 3.5 quarts was what it took. Alright, so that's torqued down. Well guys, that was a quick DIY. Got the fresh fluid in. Let's go for a drive right now. I'm gonna strap my GoPro on my head and see how the car drives. Alright guys, heading off a quick drive. See how the trans shifts and everything. I'm not expecting a difference at all, but we'll see. Shifts a little smoother actually, I ain't even gonna lie. Can't wait to get this thing tuned, man. That shifts a hell of a lot smoother, I ain't even gonna lie. No cap. It gets into gear a lot easier now. Like, you guys already know these 6-speed manuals, JK41s or JK40s, whatever, they're a little bit notchy and they shake quite a bit when shifting and even in idle. And sometimes when shifted in gear, like, you'll feel that notchiness going on, and to be honest, it's still there, but it's a little bit smoother. It's kind of hard to explain, but I like it. Look at this idiot. You just turned right. Now you want to hold up traffic. Oh wow, you got balls, my man. Even the downshifts are smoother. Wow. Could be all in my head. Is this Independence? Yeah, it is. You know what? Let's take a right here. Need to chill if I get a ticket out here. Cops be up, feds be out here, not even the cops. You see FBI all around here all the freaking time. But I'll give you guys a pull at the end of the video here. See if I can get the open road coming up at the next light. I'll give you a wide open throttle pull. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. We're almost at 9,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for future content, and lots of good stuff coming soon. More VR30 stuff in the very near future, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.